Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix audio not working problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. Let's begin. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type your device manager and click here to open it. Once we're here, we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs. So click on the icon, no so right click on the speakers or microphone, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. So you need to select the first option, search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close the windows, go to search bar, type here control panel and then click here to open it. Now on this window, we need to set view by as large icons. If you selected category, then change it to large icons and scroll down, click on sound. Now on this window, right click, just select the speakers, go to its properties, go to enhancements tab and make sure you have to check this option, disable all enhancements, and go to levels tab and set this up to the 100%. Okay, now click on apply and then okay. Once done, just restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, you're good to go.